How many dots are on that one?
10.
How do you know there's 10?
Because there's 5 on the bottom and there's 5 on the top.
Okay, show that to me again. Okay, great. You can do the next one. How many dots?
8.
How do you know there's 8?
Because there's 5 on the top and there's 3 on the bottom.
And that makes 8?
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. Because 7 goes after 8.
Oh, it does. Okay. How many dots on that one?
9.
And how do you know there's 9?
Because this one has 4 on the bottom and this has 5 on the top.
And how do you know that makes 9?
Because there's one more to make 9.
There's one more to make 9?
Yeah.
One more from what?
Top.
Oh, how many are missing on that piece of paper?
1.
And if that was filled, how many would be on it?
10.
Okay. How many dots on that one?
6.
And how do you know there's 6?
Because there's one more to make 6 and there's 5 on the top.
Very good.
And there's 9 right here. There's 4 non-spaces on these big spaces.
Okay. How many dots there?
5.
And how do you know there's 5?
Because there's no more spaces on the bottom.
So the top row makes 5.
Yes.
Okay. Can you count those for me just to double check?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. And how many dots are there?
7.
How did you figure that out?
By doing the
So doing the dots, how did you do that?
I breathe
Okay.
and I do this to
So-
be really fast.
So how do you know?
Counting.
So how do you know there's 7 dots?
Because there's one more to make 7.
One more to make 7. One more than what?
Top.
Mm-hmm. So how many are on the top row?
8.
How many green dots are on the top row?
Always forget things.
Okay, that's all right. So how many dots are on that top row? How many are on the top row and how many are on the bottom row?
2, 5.
Okay, so there's 5 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and that makes 7?
Yes.
Can you count them in some way to show me that it makes 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, good. Okay, you got some more to do?
Yes.
How many there?
4.
How do you know there's 4?
Because there's 2 in each.
Oh, so you see 2 and 2 more.
Yes.
Okay. How many are missing on that top row?
1,
Okay, and if that was if there was one more there, how many would that be? If you had one more dot on there, how many would you have?
5.
Yes. Okay.
More. More.
Okay. How many dots?
3.
How do you know there's 3?
Because there's 2 and 1 more.
Okay.
And 1 more.
Okay, what do you got there?
8.
How do you know there's 8?
Because there's 1 more to make 8.
One more to make 8? One more than what?
1 more than 2.
Oh, one more than 2. Okay. So how many dots then are on the top row and how many are on the bottom row?
There's 5 and there's 3.
Oh, and 5 and 3 makes 8?
Yes.
Oh, can you count those for me to prove it? Just to double check?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. How many of those little boxes are empty?
2.
2. And if we had 2 more dots on there, how many would that be altogether?
10.
How many?
10.
10. That is right. Good thinking.